Hello class 6 students. How are you? I hope all of you are doing well. So since long time you are not interacted with the computer classes due to major outbreak of COVID-19. Now we are starting the video classes so that COVID-19 do not affect your study. So before starting the topic, we'll talk about the syllabus for PT1. And syllabus for PT1 will contain two chapters, chapter 2 and chapter 3. Chapter 2 brainstorming and mind maps, chapter 3 synthesis of information, uses of computer. And PT1 examination pattern will be theory will have 40 marks, practical not applicable as per G norms, total will have 40 marks. So we will start chapter 2 brainstorming and mind maps. At the end of this chapter, you will come to know that in another words, your learning outcomes will be conduct a brainstorming session and list ideas resulting from it, list the common features among the ideas and categorize them under appropriate level. Draw mind maps to show the links between main topic, the categories and the subcategories. Update the mind map based on analysis and decision making process. So first topic we will study brainstorming. Brainstorming is a technique for generating ideas. A group of people sit together and think about a given topic. Each person comes up with some ideas or prior knowledge or question about the given topic. During brainstorming, the ideas, question, and knowledge of each person are noted down without much discussion. So all of you are thinking that why in computer, why we are studying this chapter. So I would like to tell you, if you have to prepare a presentation on computer for inter school competition and five of you have formed a group and you are planning to gather information about various aspects of computer, then you need brainstorming session. Means whenever you have to do tasks such as making a presentation, writing a report, problem solving, or making a project, you start recalling information about the topic. As you do so, many new ideas form in your mind. In a brainstorming session, everyone in the group shares their ideas, which are then written down. Look at this picture. Example of brainstorming session. Here, these students and this student are noting down ideas from these two students and these two students. So some of telling software, some of telling cost of computers used in home, internet, hardware, computer in robot, word processing, games, buying. So these ideas are generated from this group of students. So I would like to tell guidelines for brainstorming. So guideline is some space where brainstorming can be conducted. One or two person to note down the ideas without discussion or criticism. A relaxed atmosphere so that each person can express his or her ideas without fear. Only one person can speak at a time. When the group feels that enough ideas have been generated, the brainstorming session ends. And when the brainstorming session ends, then you are starting the mapping from those ideas into categories, main topic, and subcategories. So this is the end of this lecture. Now we are moving towards the questions from this lecture. The first question will be, what is brainstorming? Define in brief. What are the main steps involved in brainstorming session? narrate one situation where brainstorming can be used to solve a problem. Thank you very much.